Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to all my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Chippa 1. I'm joined by the Maginator.
Sibo, igame iphelile.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, Sibo, ne.
Yes.
Wabona Fikile Mbalula once said, ne.
Ute.
Chippa United is a bunch of losers. I'm a losers. We bullet. Fikile Mbalula. Mara Sibo, honestly speaking, ne. Yeah, he can't voice on here. And it's a bunch of losers. Sibo. It's not over yet.
Yes.
It's not over yet.
Yes.
It took Nelson Mandela 27 years.
Yes.
27 years and present for him to have freedom. So let me tell you, we will win this league one way or another. You understand? It's not over. They are on top today.
Yes.
Down Tuesday.
Yes.
Up 2 hours. Down 3 hours. No what sort of viewers. But the quality of the game, they are proper. It's proper quality.
Bamnat.
Yeah. Okay, here's what we're going to do.
Sure.
If Snow White does not take Rangers to the FIFA World Cup, regular Rangers ticket, we kidnap Snow White. FIFA World Cup. By 4. Okay.